Welcome to our explainer on failure modes and effects analysis, or FMEA. This invaluable risk assessment process is crucial for making informed decisions in healthcare. Too often, decisions in healthcare are made based on opinion rather than thorough analysis. FMEA changes that by promoting a structured conversation, leading to the best solutions to eliminate or minimize potential failures. FMEA isn't just theoretical, it provides practical training on how to perform the process effectively. Here's what you'll learn from this session. First, you'll learn how and when to use FMEA, understanding its importance in various healthcare scenarios. Second, you'll grasp the relevance of FMEA to healthcare business processes, clinical operational workflows, facility changes, and new space planning. Through structured analysis and collaborative discussions, FMEA helps us foresee potential failures and address them proactively. Join us to unlock the full potential of FMEA in healthcare. Click the link below to register and ensure safer, more efficient decision-making processes.